Hey guys, welcome back. We are going to install these LED light bulbs by Auxito. These bulbs have a 2835 SMD LED chipset. There are 42 pieces. It has a 360-degree design. The light color for these are 1500K. It's a simple plug and play with a built-in load resistor and IC driver. It's made of an aluminum body for better heat dissipation. Power consumption is at 24 watts with current at 2 amps. I left the product link in the description below if you're interested, along with a discount code. We are going to install these on a 2019 Honda Pilot. Socket size 7440. You want to get your 8mm socket and remove these two bolts. Next, to remove, you just want to pull out. There are two tabs in here that's holding it in place. Just like so. This here is your brake light, which is already LED. You want to remove this by turning it counterclockwise. And there's your bulb. Just take 2 fingers and pull it out. And here is your size comparison. This is a lot longer. To install, all you have to do is it's plug and play. It is non-polarity. You want to go ahead and put it back and lock it clockwise. Just like that. To put back the tail light, you want to make sure these 2 pins line up to the holes and then just push it back in. And then you want to put your 2 bolts back on. This is the stock halogen bulb. That's how it looks inside the housing. This is the Auxito LED 7440 stock halogen bulb. Auxito 7440. So I tested it for 5 minutes and so far, no hyperflash. There you have it, Auxito 7440 turn signals. Right side LED, left side halogen. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more videos just like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.